Hi, my name's Daryl, and I am a Wrangler newbie. So as a Wrangler newbie, one of the things that's really drove me crazy was not being able to distinguish the differences between a JK and a JL. So if you aren't kind of a Wrangler veteran and you're just looking at a Jeep, they all kind of look the same, but there are subtle differences that help you understand the differences between the models. So let's talk about the JL. Now I've got a JK in front of me, but the JL, one real distinguishing feature is you get integrated turn signals right here in the fender flare. The second distinguishing feature is how these headlights integrate with the grille. So this is a JK, and if you notice, there is some separation between the headlights and this grille. Now it's black, and so it's a little bit hard to see, but on the JL, the headlights are much closer to the grille and there's much less space between them, and so the headlights actually go into the grille a little bit, and I'll show an image of that. The other distinguishing feature on JKs is the Jeep logo is just right above the grille. With JLs, they actually don't have the Jeep logo sitting there. So now let's go to the side of the Jeep. This is actually probably the easiest way to tell the differences. So on JLs, over in this area right here, you actually get a little bit of a vent, a black vent that basically lets the engine bay cool a little bit better, and also helps with the hood flutter that is common on JKs. So just look for that on the side profile, and that'll give you an indication that it's either a JK or a JL. On the back of the Jeep, this is just like a little bit harder. So first of all, you'll notice that I have these windshield wipers on the back. That is a JK, whereas the JL, the windshield wiper is actually below the spare tire a little bit, and so you actually don't see it. So if it's a hardtop, that's one way to tell. So that's it. I guess we aren't newbies anymore, because we now can easily tell the difference between a JK and a JL. So I'll be creating a lot of content about Jeep Wranglers, and so yeah, if you learned something in this video, please like it, and also consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. And I hope to see you in the next one again very soon.